Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix hotspot not working in your iPhone. If you are having this issue of hotspot, then first of all, open your settings and then go through the cellular and make sure that your cellular data is working fine. Once you check that, go to the general and then click on the shutdown and shut down your device for 20 to 30 seconds and then again restart your device. Once you do that, click on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all of your networks. Once you do this, do not forget to check your software update as well. If there are any updates available, then please do update your system. This will solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and share our channel. Thank you for watching.